Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, it's your maths book for class 7. Now today our topic is exercise 4.2, page 67. Question number 1 is simplify the following. Now dear students, in this exercise we will use quotient law because question is given in division form. Let's see. Question is given in fraction form. That's why we will use quotient law of exponents. Now let's see what is quotient law. Look for a pattern in the example below. For example, I have this question 4 power 5 and 4 power 3. It's mean when I will write 4 5 times, 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we will write 4 3 times. Now let's see, 4 will cancel with this 4. This 4 will cancel this 4. And this 4 will cancel this 4. We get 4 multiplied by 4, or we will write it 4 power 2. Also, if 5 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Whenever bases are same and powers are changed in division, in fraction form, when bases are same and powers are changed, then quotient law will be a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n, when the bases are same and powers are changed. It's mean to divide two powers that have the same base, subtract the exponents. We subtract the exponent when we have a question in division form. And when the bases are same, we will write it like that. Now, for example, I have this question 3 power 6 by 3 power 2. According to this law, how we will write it? We will write it like that, is equal to 3, 6 minus 2. We get 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 power 4 is your answer. But a question if given that simplify it, then in simplifications we will multiply 3 4 times. 81 will be your answer. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Now students, if I have this question, for example, when the bases are changed and powers are same in division in a fraction, how we will apply the law? Let's see, we have another quotient law. When the bases are changed and powers are same, like that, or we can write it when the bases are changed and power are same, we will write it like that, a by b on the whole power m. Now here in a question we have bases change and power same in division. Then we apply the quotient law to find the power of a quotient, find the power of the numerator and the power of the denominator. For any integer m and any real numbers a, and a by b power m on the whole is equal to a by m by b power m. Now how we will do this question according to this law? Let's see. We will write it. This is also a symmetric property here we apply. We can write a power m b power m is equal to a by b on the whole m. Now students, in a question how we will apply it. Let's see. Minus 8 minus 5 power 3 is equal to, we know that the bases are changed, then minus 8 by minus 5 on the whole we will write power 3. Here we have same sign here, then minus will be cancelled with minus. We get 8 by 5 power 3. This will be your answer of that question. You can solve another question. For example, I have this question. 8 by 13 by 8 by 5. Now let's see, here bases are same and powers are changed. Here we apply quotient law. And which one quotient law? First one quotient law. And if we have another question like 6 power 5 and 3 power 5. Let's see, 3 power 5 and now let's see difference between in the two laws, how we will do it. Here bases are same and powers are changed in quotient, and the question is given in quotient form, in division form. Let's see, here bases are changed and powers are, or exponents are same. How we will do it? Let's see, using quotient law. Quotient law. Which one? This one. When the bases are same, and powers are changed, we will write it. To divide two powers that have the same base, subtract the exponents. According to this law, we will write the question. Let's see. 13 minus 5. We get 8 power 8. This is your answer. Now students, if I have this question. 6 power 5, 3 power 5. Using quotient law here. Question is given in division form. And here we use the exponent law, quotient law. A by B is power on the whole m is equal to A power m by B power m. We can write it like that. A power m by B power m is equal to A by B on the whole m. This is now quotient law. According to this, we will write the question. To find the power of a quotient, find the power of the numerator and the power of the denominator. Now students, we will write the question. 6 power 5 by 3 by 5. Let's see, on the whole we will write 6 by 3 power 5. Here 6 and 3 is cancelling in each other. 3 2s are 6. We get 2 power 5. That is the simplified answer of that question. Students, you can do the questions, leftover questions in exercise 4.2, page 67. You can do it at your home in your rough copy. Thank you student. Allah Hafiz.